Okay, so in this video we will talk about matrix. So matrix basically contains rows and columns. Rows and columns of numbers, and it may be used in solving system of equations. In a computer, it can be used to represent color information of an image. So these are the purpose of matrix. We will use matrix to solve system of equation, and of course as you proceed to your next level, when you reach third year, fourth year, you will have this course for image processing. And matrix is also useful for image processing because matrix is used to contain color information about an image. Okay, so let's have an example of what really a matrix is. Let's have an example of what really a matrix is. Let's have an example of what really a matrix is. So this is an example of matrix. So this matrix has two rows and has two columns. Okay, so this matrix has two rows and has two columns. So rows are 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So those are the rows. The columns of this matrix are 1 and 3, 2 and 4. So this shows that we have two rows and two columns. Now the number of rows and the number of columns in matrix is referred as the order of matrix. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Okay, so this is the row and this is the column. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay, so this time let's have this 0, 0, negative 1, 1, 3 and 4. So this time, what is the order of matrix? So what is the order of this matrix? So let's just count how many rows we have. 1, 2. So we have 2 rows. And then how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 columns. So the order of matrix is 2 by 3. Okay, so let's have another example. So let's say we have 1, 74, negative 5, 3, 29, and negative 1. So what is the order of matrix? So again, we have to count the number of rows. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 rows. And then, how many columns do we have here? 1, 2. So we have 2 columns. So the order of matrix is, the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. Okay, so that's how you identify the order of matrix.